Hello, scholars and cyborgs. Welcome back to Math with Marcus. This question is about graphing points on the quadrant graph. It comes from Chapter 3 on the 6th grade CPM textbook. So 395 says, draw and label a set of axes on your graph paper. Plot and label the following points: 3, 1, 4, 2, 0, 5, and 5, 1. It gave you this really nice Desmos E tool, which I brought up here. So I'm going to be using this to show you how to plot these points. What I wanted to let you know, what you must know is which axis is the x-axis and which axis is the y-axis. And you have to know that the points go in order of x and then y. So x, y. So let me bring up the E tool, which is here somewhere. Here we go. And let's get rid of that. We don't need that, the directions. So we're plotting those points. So let's see. There we go. So 1, 2. So if I want to go 1, 2, I've got to go where 1 is. Oh, got to go to where 1 is on the x-axis. So if that's 2, 1 has to be right in between. And then I need to go up to 3 on the y. So that's 2 on the y, and that's 3. Yes, nice little confirmation. So here we need to take 4, 2. So where is 4 on the x? And then 2 up on the y. 0, 5. So that's 0 on the x. So right there, 0 on the x. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, 5. 5. Go on the line. There we go. And then the last one is 5, 1. So 5 on the x-axis, right there, and then 1 up. There you go. There you have it. There's plotting points on the coordinate grid. The x-axis always comes first. So for instance, 5. So I go to where 5 is on the x-axis, and then I go up or down to where I want to be on the y. So then I go up 1. So 5, 1. All right. Thanks for joining me. Take her easy.